Welcome back everyone. This is Board Stone 250 Bluetooth speaker. Let's unbox it and check it out. This is a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker having 800 mAh of battery, which gives around 5 hours of playtime with RGB lights on and 8 hours without RGB. We got some documents here. An AUX and a Type-C charging cable, and this is the speaker. At first glance, build quality seems perfect. At left we got AUX, TF and USB slot. It comes with IPX7 water shield protection, which we will check later on in the video. Fit and finish is perfect. Turning on.
Bluetooth mode.
Connected. RGB circle also indicates volume level. Let's play a song and check the sound quality.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
We can also customize these light patterns using this button. Let's do water test. Hit the like button, guys. Do share this video with your friends and let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.